Well, come on down here and let me see this dessert that you've got going on.
Okay.
It's a brownie raspberry trifle. I'm gonna start by putting in 1 cup of butter plus 2 tablespoons.
Now we're putting this in a double boiler, y'all, and while Mama's doing that, I'm gonna put 3 ounces of unsweetened dark chocolate in with this butter, y'all.
Okay.
And we're gonna melt it down. Now we gotta stir this. We don't want it to burn.
If you decide to do this in the microwave, y'all, be very, very careful, because chocolate will scorch easily. And once
it
it's
scorches,
scorched,
it's trash.
trash can. All right, I'm gonna put a pinch of salt. So I'm gonna be cracking your eggs and getting those ready for you. There's not a whole lot to do, y'all, on this recipe, so you gotta like that. We're gonna bake this in an 8.5 by 8.5 dish, and I'm gonna spray it real good so those delicious brownies will come out clean. So I've got your pan ready, I've got your eggs whipped.
Yeah, we could just about skip steps 3, 4, 5, and 6, couldn't we?
What? And bring in another straw.
Just get a mug. So transferring this from our cooking bowl, you wanna help me scrape this, Mom?
Yes, I will be your scraper.
Into this clean bowl is gonna help drop the temperature a little bit. And then by the time we mix in our other ingredients, it'll be cool enough probably for our eggs.
Great. All right, so I owe you 2.5 cups of sugar, 1/2 cup of cocoa. I owe you 1 more tablespoonful. And finally, a heaping tablespoon of vanilla and our 3 beaten eggs. Wow. You gotta love it. And you need 1.5 cups of self-rising flour. See how simple that is? No mixer.
Yep.
But some bad to the bone brownies. Looks great, son.
Super. Okay, Mom, you wanna use teamwork?
Yes.
I'll lift this up.
Yeah, you hold the bowl and I'll scrape. Because guess what?
What?
The scraper
Gets
the
spools.
spatula. This batter is delicious, Jamie.
Now this is going into the oven for 20 minutes at 350 degrees. This is our brownie, but this is a raspberry brownie trifle. So y'all stick around when we come back. We're gonna get into the raspberry business.
All right, I'm glad y'all came back because our brownies are done now. I'm gonna make a topping for Jamie's luscious brownies. I'm gonna need 3 cups of heavy cream.
And I'm gonna slice a banana.
Now 3 tablespoons of an instant vanilla pudding. That's gonna help this get nice and stiff.
And give it some good flavor too.
And I'm gonna give it 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar, and that's kind of a heaping. I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of vanilla flavoring. All right, now I'm gonna beat this up, son, until it's nice and peaky.
Okay, Mom, I'm gonna cut these brownies. I'm gonna do them in kind of small bites so we can work in our jars.
Looks delicious. I'd say that's pert near perfect.
Y'all are gonna love these moist, chewy brownies.
Oh, gosh, Jamie.
And the first one's kind of hard to get out without making a mess out of it.
Oh, my gosh. See that chewy center?
How delicious is that?
Incredible, son.
Good.
Incredible.
This is probably my favorite brownie just because I like them chewy.
Oh, my gosh.
And it's so moist like a cake.
It's scrumptious. All right, I'm gonna take our little mason jars. I'm gonna start by dropping in 3 squares of the brownies. Now I'm just gonna scoop a little of that wonderful raspberry jam over that. Gonna put me a little layer of bananas. Yum. And I'm gonna top it with more cream.
I cannot impress upon y'all enough how this is the best brownie you ever tasted.
It is, y'all. It's quite good. I'm gonna take the edge.
Take the edge, Mama.
I'm just gonna take the edge and just do this number.
Oh.
Just to kind of let you know what's in there, sonny boy. A little slice of banana. This dessert is fantabulous.
Oh my goodness.
Look at that.
When y'all are done, if you can't finish it because you're eating so many stuffed
just
pork chops,
seal it back up.
screw your top on, send it home with your company.
Yes.
But you ain't gonna have leftovers of this.
I'm telling you, Jamie. incredible.
Stop what you're doing right now and make this. I kid you not.
This is knee-knocking, back-slapping, delicious. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.